So if you're wondering what I'm doing, we've got these old birdhouses that we've had up for years, and they're full of old bird nests. And I was reading the other day that it's actually fairly important that you clean them out and sanitize them every year. So I've been seeing more and more bluebirds and flycatchers and things, and it got me thinking I should probably do that before they really get into nest building. And so yeah, that's what we're doing. And hopefully we're going to build some birdhouses today too, but we'll see. Yuck. I want you to be upwind of all this stuff until we get it kind of more cleaned out. Bird poo everywhere, my goodness. Junior's currently looking for a place to put his...
All the way over here.
Put a bag target to practice archery. Chicken feathers. That's funny. Oh, that's a lot of poo. Gross. Okay. So I've got a bleach water solution. 9 parts water to 1 part bleach. So hopefully that'll work. Bud, why don't you grab your rope and tie it to the top and drag it over here? Might not be a bad idea. Shooting bows when it's snowy out, if you miss, isn't very good. He has a tendency of missing the target and burying the arrows. But he's learning. He's trying. Yeah. All right, buddy. Okay, so there's that guy. Man, these are grody. But you know what? If it helps the bluebirds and it helps the flycatchers, that's important. Because they're super cool birds. Catching bugs. Remember when I was a kid, we had an old satellite dish behind the house. Every year the bluebirds would make their nest in the I don't know, receiver end of that satellite dish. It was cool. Really, really cool. And now I suppose that, there's bird flu outbreaks more and more often, it seems like, and this and outbreak and that outbreak. And we're pretty heavy into chickens. So you might as well try to keep any bird flu stuff to a minimum. That's probably good enough. We'll set that there and let it soak up the wind. Okay. I don't think I'm going to put this washcloth back in the house. I think it's, yeah, it's going to get thrown away. Yeah, because that's just icky. Okay, there we go. 2 birdhouses clean. Bucket I'll keep though. I can sanitize that and clean it up good. Make comments about how spring-like it is, but it's actually fairly chilly today. Not super stoked about that. Suppose I should probably rinse this out so it's not all bleach watery. Oh man, I don't really want to do that. go get some water. I tend to do things a little on the unorthodox side. I'm not going to take a dirty old birdhouse and bring it in the house. That's gross. I don't think my lovely wife would appreciate that much. All right, we're going to set these guys over here. Let them dry off. Hopefully I don't lose my screws. Be my luck. Just put them in that bucket. I need a tape measure. All right, what do we got? 18 inches, that sounds good. I don't know how big to build these things. These guys aren't super big. 5 by 4? No. We gotta give them more room than that. That's just ridiculous. So, we use this as our bottom. Oh, darn it. So we will have to cut that down. Okay, well, that's fine. That's fine. We'll see how it works anyway, I guess. It's supposed to be really warm today, but it's not seeming like that's going to be the case. It's really quite chilly. 4 3/4. Gosh, that doesn't seem like it's very big. Other birdhouses are bigger than that, aren't they? Oh, I know what I can do. Yes. Put it this way. I give me a 5.5 anyway. Just kind of trying to figure out how to design this stinking thing. Ah, but then it'll just be narrow on the other side. It'll be narrow this way.
Do they have to be a certain size?
You know, I've been seeing different opinions.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
But I'm trying to think if we have one that's like a conservation district one. We're gonna go for a little walk. I think I've got one on the back of the old chicken house. Well, that's a completely different style. I don't know about that one. Hi, chickens. All right. Oh, man. Not going well. Let's see what we have for material. No, I'm pretty sure I've got some bigger stuff. Pretty sure I've got some bigger material. Look at my tool belt and see if I have a pencil. I have a pencil. Kids sound like they're having fun. Okay, so I got an idea. What if we take this wide stuff and cut it, and that'll be our sides. This will be the overall height of the birdhouse.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What do you think of that? And then we can kind of make it whatever we wanted. So, 7 1/4. Make 2 of those at 7 1/4. Okay. I'm going to cut 2 of those at 7 1/4, I think I said. I can't remember.
Yeah, 7 1/4.
I have the memory of a gnat. I'm going to turn the... yeah.
Wow.
I don't even know where this wood came from, but I'm using it. I don't care.
Yeah, I have no idea.
I don't think it was us.
No, I think it's
Because it was in the...
I tend to use the wood that we buy.
not always. Okay, so there's the 2 sides at 11 inches. Cut this down to a manageable length. That seemed like a good enough slope. Just trying to get an idea what I'm going to need for the roof. Let's start with a foot. It's going to be a heck of a birdhouse here. It seems like a monstrous birdhouse, actually. Put that up so that it would have ventilation.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take
Just a smidge.
a couple inches off of it. Or an inch off of it. Or something. Huh. Even that's monstrous. So I need to get my drill, because we need to put a hole for the birds to get in and out of. Plus I need to probably pre-drill everything before I put screws in it.
Yeah, that looks like it might be a little splitty.
Yeah. Definitely a little splitty. Word of the day, splitty. Okay, let's see if I can do this without hurting myself. There it is. Figure out what pilot to use. 1/8 inch looks good. Doesn't really matter where we put this guy, as long as it's sort of kind of square to the world. So we can put it like right here. Here's what we'll do. That'll work. Oh, all right. Make sure it's halfway square. So now, we're gonna put our sides on. Still looks big. Yeah, close enough, I think. Yeah. I feel like I should have used some wood glue. So what we're using here is just some number 10 by 1.5 Torx head exterior grade screws. And for stuff like this, they work fantastic. Okay, so now this should fit, just about perfectly. I think we can make it fit perfectly. Oh, that's way too high. I need to cut that down.
You think so?
This?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because you want ventilation. Here, I'll turn it so the camera can see. You want ventilation, but I think that's going to be too much ventilation. Maybe not. I mean, something like this, didn't it?
Oh, that is a lot of them.
It's a fair amount, yeah.
Let's do the table or something.
What? This is my table.
Yeah.
No, think about it though. It's like infinitely adjustable height-wise.
It is.
I can put it anywhere I want within, miles. You know.
It's just not enough workspace though.
No, I need to see if they have an expansion pack at work.
Expansion pack.
Yeah. I need to add a leaf or two.
Yeah, that's right there.
I'm wondering if I should match the angle. Let's do a 30-degree angle. I feel like getting fancy. Oh, that might have been too much. Dang it, man.
I don't think it's too much.
Oh no, the angle's kind of pointless though. We turn it around and go opposite. I like that. Ah, yeah, here's the deal. So I angle cut it like this to provide clearance when we open it. See that? See what I did there? Yeah. So what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna have 2 screws here and they're gonna hold it. Then these 2 screws here, when we want, we'll leave them in, pull these guys out, and then we can roll this down and clean it out just like we did on our store-bought birdhouses. what's really cool is now that we have this one, I can measure all the pieces and kind of draw it up. And then I have a blueprint for future birdhouses, especially if this one works really well. If it doesn't work really well, then I guess we can go back to the drawing board and try to come up with something that does work well. So then this guy, basically, I'm just going to run in there like that. But one thing I do need to do is measure up this guy about 1.25 inches. Make your bottom hinge screws at least the same elevation up. That way it's not wanting to come out at a goofy angle or anything like that. It'll just come out nice and square. Hi, sis. How you doing? No? I hear you. I think the camera's gonna go for a little spin here in a second. There it goes. Did I call that or did I call that? Look at that. Just like I knew what I was doing.
Yeah.
I don't think I'd go that far, but.
Okay, let's go get one.
What do you think? I mean, it's
awesome.
It's a new birdhouse. Bird mansion.
Bird mansion.
Yeah, it's huge. Okay, let's see if this works though. This is kind of the key part of the design. Get it set here to where the world can see. Okay. Oh no. Goes downhill.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to pull this out. Well, I can't make that look like I meant it. I can't. What if I has idea? What if we just cut the top down? And that's your ventilation.
Oh yeah, you could do that.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, we're still in it to win it, I think, here. Okay, disclaimer again, my videos are not how-to videos. Don't do what I do. These are like how not to videos. Okay, so I think that'll work.
There you go.
Okay.
There you go.
Will that work?
I think so. Hi. I think your brother's gonna come out. You wanna put your jacket on?
We finally did it. Okay, there it is. I think that's our new bluebird condo. Or, you know, even a flycatcher condo. I really, really hope that it works. What do you think?
Very good.
It's our new birdhouse.
So we need something there to hold it.
Why?
So the birds can hold on.
Oh.
So they can hop in.
Righto. Well, we don't have dowel. But if you look at this,
Yeah.
Like not all of them do.
these don't, right? So, I mean, really, if you compare square footage, like, they're gonna go after this one for sure. For sure. Yeah, see, so this one, the side
Oh, the side comes off.
folds out.
Okay.
I pulled it all the way off because there was so much nest material in there, I couldn't get it out.
How's that inside?
This was all the nesting material out of both of those, which I didn't show the camera, but that's a lot and it's pretty icky. So I wonder if this overhangs too much and they will have trouble getting in. Pull it off and cut another inch or so off, 1.5 inches off of it.
Yeah, I guess.
There. Maybe that's better. I think that'll work.
As it
Okay, so those birdhouses are ready to go back. Yeah. Carl's birdhouse.
Oh, God, no.
Might need to touch the paint up a little bit on this one. Yeah. And I gotta caulk this anyway. Keep the moisture from getting in there. It's a birdhouse built by my late father-in-law. So maybe this one will mount next weekend.
Huh?
So maybe this one will mount next weekend. Unless you don't care about like this.
I don't really care.
Okay. What about that?
I don't know. The other ones aren't caulked and they're open, so
True.
I guess we can try it and see.
Well, we're gonna take these two and put them back where they go. And we're gonna take this guy that we just built
Why?
and put it over by the road. And then we're gonna take this guy, Papa's birdhouse, and put it over by the garden, over on the garden. I put the lid on there, trying to figure out the best place to hinge it, and that seemed to be the best. This one is a little higher than I could have done it there.
Yeah.
But putting the hinge underneath of it to try to hinge it up, it put the hinge like up here. And then putting it on top made it sit even higher. So it's okay. Let's take these guys. Hopefully I don't sink. Look at that. Chicken's out getting the old green grass. Just loving it. I'm walking on knee-deep snow right now. It's super compact. Yeah, but some of them, it still gives away. Oh, this is fun. So much fun. Should have put my snowshoes on. Okay. Oh, that hurts. This is not going to end well. There it goes. Okay, Junior. Wanna hold the camera?
Yeah. Dad,
What? Okay. Birdhouse 1 installed. Easy. Easy. Oh, no, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Goodness. Okay, so those two birdhouses are installed. And it seems kind of weird that I put them so close together, but they actually work really well. So, I mean, obviously, they were both full from old nests, so. All right, let's get out of this deep snow. Hopefully our Rose of Sharon comes back this year. That's that guy. It's a hibiscus. Good grief. Oh, this is not fun. What a pain. All right. Let's go install this birdhouse. This is not going to be any fun. But we'll do it. It's for the birds, right? For the birds. Oh, man. That's deep. That's really deep. That's in my boot. It's in my boot. Okay. I'm thinking maybe like right there. That's even sort of plumb. Yeah, there we are. Nice new birdhouse for bluebirds or flycatchers or whatever wants to live there. I'm gonna go get my shovel and do some mud moving.
Walleye.
You just got a walleye?
Yeah, I just did.
All right.
That's it. I'm
Yeah.
still boat fishing.
Yeah. Here, let's say goodbye to everybody.
Yep.
We clean birdhouses,
Oh, yeah.
right? We clean birdhouses. We
Did mud.
built a birdhouse.
Building.
We moved some mud to try to make the drainage better on our driveway. And now we're bow fishing for walleye. Yeah, bet you didn't know you could do that, did you?
Dad, I just got one.
See?
On accident.
There's so many walleye around here. He's just getting them on accident. Thanks for watching, everybody. We truly appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this and other stuff we do. We've got a whole wide array of different things. Turn your notifications on. Make sure you know when we put out new stuff.
New videos.
New videos. That's right. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll catch you on the next one.